Actor Faiz Badha from the movie Lagan, the multifaceted, the talented, and the renowned personality, the actor, the writer, the director, the professional dancer, and the producer heading Amin Haji Film Company, Mr. Amin Haji. He has experimented in filmmaking in all the genres and the formats, including documentary filmmaking, short filmmaking, feature filmmaking, to name a few. His renowned projects, actually, I have a list of long projects, but excuse me, sir, and kindly allow me to mention a few prominent ones. Vanwa, Koi Jaane Na, Mumkin Hai, Jeena Isi Ka Naam Hai, and Black Mountain. May I request you to extend a hearty welcome to him by offering him a huge round of applause.
We have a wonderful resource person in our midst. He comes with a huge experience in films, filmmaking, acting, and also dancing. Actually, he started as a dancer, if I'm not wrong, right? So, from a person who stayed in the filmmaking business for a long time, and Amin Haji is actually one such person. We are very, very fortunate to have him in our midst.
We learned what we learned by watching from afar. Y'all are in a great time where, so we learned to break dance by watching videos that we could play on a video cassette for 4 minutes once in our life, and we picked it up because we were not allowed to watch it again. You all have YouTube. You can watch it 100 times in a day. So, these are institutions that are giving you all this platform. And wherever I get a chance to come, I will always come because I feel I want to give you all what I couldn't get myself. So, it was very tough. And I would never call myself a filmmaker. To call myself a filmmaker took me 35 years in the industry. Or for me to call myself a filmmaker. Today, you all call yourselves filmmakers because you'll have cameras in your hand. You'll have editing softwares that are available. You can kind of shoot something and edit it and it's there. And you've made a film. So, it's just come a complete circle and it's a very good thing. So, for me today to come here and, for Dheeraj Bhai to call me, and I will always look at this as a great honor. But I want you all to remember that you all are extremely lucky that you all are getting a chance to learn what someone else took 35 years, 40 years to kind of understand in a matter of 2 days, 3 days. And so great place, and may MIT always prosper, and may you all get the pearls of wisdom you all need and benefit from this. You have to know who your audience is. अगर हम लोग OTT के लिए बना रहे हैं तो वो स्टोरी अलग लिखेंगे हम लोग. अगर हम लोग मेन स्ट्रीम ऑडियंस के लिए बना रहे हैं वो स्टोरी अलग लिखेंगे. 1000 great stories in the world about human beings and their achievements. This one would be one of those. It's not Lagan. Lagan's a fictional story. It's a true story. And Koi Jaane Na released after 8 years of a struggle. Eventually, I made my film. So I'll tell you all the dates so you'll understand how quickly things can change. So 14th of March is Amir's birthday. So Amir told me, I want you to keep a screening for me. You will not invite anybody. It's my screening. And I want to see your film. They had already done the song, Harfan Maula. So I said, okay. And I kept the screen. And in Sunny Sound, I reached there, the media was standing. So I called Amir and said, Amir, I don't know how, but the media has already come to know. So if you want, we can shift the location or we can cancel. So he said, nahi, main aunga. He had told me that I want it for me only is because if it doesn't work for me, I will leave without giving a bite. So I know he does that all the time. So I said, shit. Now, so the media has also come. Anyway, he said, keep it. We watched the film. He liked it, or so I thought he did. So he told Amira and Kunal and all. And my associate heard him talking to Ashutosh Gowarikar, saying, "Yaar, I had come here to roast Amin, but Amin ne to achhi film banai." They left, and I was relieved. He told me the sound has a problem, and he left. And then I walked out to say bye to one of the actors, and the media was outside. They came to me. They never come to me. After Lagan, I have known that it's very transient. But they came to me. They said, "Amin bhai, Amin ने आपकी फिल्म की बहुत तारीफ की." वैसे कभी तो he said वो बाहर जा रहे थे तो उन्होंने बाइट दिया.
कैसी लगी? और मैं बड़ा स्ट्रेस था क्योंकि अमीन मेरा बहुत अच्छा दोस्त है. फिक्र होती है कि फिल्म कैसी बनाई, अच्छी बनाई नहीं बनाई. उसमें मैंने गाना भी किया है अभी.
बहुत फेमस हुआ.
और आज मैंने पहली दफा फिल्म देखी, बहुत अच्छी फिल्म बनाई उसने. क्या मतलब दिल खुश हो गया क्योंकि एक तो क्या ये फिल्म बहुत एंटरटेनिंग है. 1 मिनट आपको रुकने नहीं देती. मर्डर मिस्ट्री है, थ्रिल है, रोमांस है, गाने अच्छे हैं, एक्टर इतने अच्छे हैं.
बोले अमीन आई डिडंट एक्सपेक्ट इट टू बी सो गुड. तो मेरे लिए वो मेरी लाइफ में मैं कभी नहीं भूलूंगा वो वर्ड्स. सच्चू ऑलरेडी से वैसे उन्होंने उनको बहुत अच्छी लगी. चलो. So then he called me. He said, Amin, I want to have a screening on the 27th. Remember the dates. 14th of March, he told me I want to have a screening. We kept the screening around the 17th or 18th of March. On the 18th of March, I was told by the media that he is like the film. Barabar hai? I got very happy. Then he called me. I mean, 27th ko na, I'm going to invite the whole industry and show them your film in PVR. It's on me. I said, okay, thank you. मैं तूने अच्छी बनाई हमें करना तो पड़ेगा. I said, thank you. 27th की स्क्रीनिंग कैंसिल हो गई. So sorry. Our movie was first supposed to release on 27th. That was Friday. So he said 27 mat kar, 2nd kar, because my distributor friend has told me 2nd April is a better time. I said, okay. I said, release ho rahe the back to back. It was after the first week. So they were trying to release films. Anyway, long and the short, our film released on the 2nd. At 11 o'clock was our first show. At 12 o'clock, 7 states in India called for a lockdown. So we know nothing. When what is going to happen? It was the highest high I saw and the lowest low I saw in those 3 weeks. Yeah, after all that, it goes like sinks like the Titanic. I think there would be 100 actors better than me who would have played Bhaga. And I'm saying this with all honesty. I'm not a good actor. That's why I could do well without lines. Otherwise, I would have got jacked. I can't remember lines. I can't deliver. I forget lines. So, luckily, I got a chance to play a mute. And that worked for me. Luckily, Lagan went on to become the great film that it did. So people are telling me, we just went to meet Dheeraj Bhai in the office. Everyone said, everyone's seen Lana. I have done nothing to deserve the success I have got. Lagan is a great film. Lagan is made by Ashutosh Gowarikar. Written by Sanjay Daima, Kumar Dave and Ashutosh Gowarikar. Produced by Amir Khan. Made by Amir Khan. मैंने एक कैरेक्टर प्ले किया है. फिल्म इतनी बड़ी हो गई कि मैं सक्सेसफुल हो गया.
Was Lagan the very first film that you did? Because I'm sorry, I don't know about that. Did you have any other movie before Lagan which you liked or which you feel that played some role in your,
I met Ashu on Goonj. He's a big fan of dancing. So because we were dancers, he always told us, will you act in my film? Directed called Pehla Nasha. Deepak Tijori, Ravina Tandon, Pooja Bhatt, and Kareem and I were in the film. So I did act. So Lagan, he told me, will you learn to play the drum? I said, for what? He said, because Amir has now said yes to me, but Amir will want to see you audition. And you are not going to do well because you are a big actor. but if you learn to play the drum, he might get impressed. So I learned to play the drum for 3 months. So I can play that Nasik dhol. I learned it means I can earn a living from it now. And so I did that, and so that's how Lagan happened. And Amir saw my audition, and I had done a film with Amir before called Gulam, in which he fights a champion boxer who's called Kala Tiger. So I was Kala Tiger in this. So even now, Amir will call me, "Hey, Kala Tiger, kya kar raha hai?" That's how we became friends. I worked with him in a film called Gula. If you get a chance, see. In that, there's a champion boxer who he has to lose to because his brother tells him you have to lose the fight. So it's all been a journey of. So when Amir met me the first time, and he met me with Juhi Chawla, because Juhi had acted in Goons and Juhi had acted in Qayamat, and the film was stuck and it had not yet been released. And so she had told us about Amir, and so we met Amir. And Amir still believes that Kareem and I stole his shoes, because when he walked in, he was very, very nice shoes. And so we said they're very nice. And then when you went in the theatre, now you have to leave your shoes outside. So when he came back out, the shoes were gone. So till now he says you all have stolen my shoes. Anyway, so that is my journey of Lagan. I auditioned for it, and Junaid, who's now become an actor in Maharaj. So when I had gone to sign my contract, Dheena, Junaid's mummy, told me that you got selected by our son. He was 6 years old, and he saw the audition and he said, "I like this auntie." So that's how they signed me as Bagha for Lagan. So it's been a journey for me for there.
My name is Avya Malbari. I'm from SIMA. You're film students. So you are recognized as Bagha from Lagan, right? But I recognize you from a TV show, Shake It Up. There's this one episode in which you are Pappu sir. You've come for that audition, your photography. Then I remember you from Sanam Teri Kasam, the building members here. So when like Shake It Up is, I've watched like long back, and I really like that episode of yours. So how was your experience working in a Disney show? You know, a lot of films. So what was like, you know, working with 2 kids and working as a director in that as well. So how was it?
So are you ready to get shocked? And that was my twin. My twin brother and I, both of us have acted. So I stopped acting. I wrote Swades with Ashu and got hooked onto writing. And Amir used to always tell me, "Ami, do that." I said, "Why?" He said, "Tu बहुत बुरा actor है. तू लगान में बच गया, लेकिन तू बहुत बुरा एक्टर है. तू लेकिन राइटर अच्छा है." I said, "How do you know मैं राइटर अच्छा हूँ?" तो इससे जब तू बात करता है ना, जब तू रिस्पॉन्स देता है ना, तो सॉलिड रिस्पॉन्स. So I said, "How?" So he said, "You remember we were shooting for Gulam together?" I said, "Yeah, 96. He said, "You had told me something about Roja." I had never forgotten what you said. Your reading of cinema is interesting. So when Ashu said, "Will you write Swades?" At that time it was called Des, D-E-S. Amir was producing it. So he said, "Will you write Des with us?" At that time I wrote Swades for Amir Khan Productions. It was not Ashutosh. It was Amir. And so I wrote Des with them. And that's how I got into writing. And once I got into writing, I stopped acting because I found it, I don't need to sound negative, but an actor is but a product. So I think a writer is God. He creates a character. He kills him. He brings him back. He can do anything. So I started to enjoy writing a lot. And so I stopped acting. And after Lagan, I did some some 8 films. I was never happy and I was not enjoying that process. But Kareem, my twin, who had stopped acting because he had other responsibilities, and so when he came back, it was all the better kind of timing for me to give that bait in, and he continued acting. So he's done Shamitab, he's done Airlift, he's done a lot of ads, and in fact right now I'm recognized more because of him than me. So I love to write, and I still think writing is one of the best things one can do. So I have enjoyed writing, and now I'm writing or directing or producing. So that's that.
Sir, you talked about a point. You said that recognition is very important in industry. Success is an important factor. And even if you, as you said, and as you think that in Lagan you might not have had that big of a contribution, but that brought you a lot of success, which has helped you in your type further, right? So I have to just, I kind of wanted to counter argue upon it that I believe that success gives you more recognition, but great work, as I said, gives you more respect. So how do you find the balance in that aspect as to, let's say, you have done a film which has got you a lot of recognition, like Lagan, but maybe Koonch was something where you performed better, where you had a bigger role, where you put in a lot of effort. So the people who know you from Koonch might have more respect for you as an actor, as a professional, but as you said, that the recognition dwindles after some time. So how do you find the balance in that? As an actor, as a film writer, as a writer?
Guys, human beings, now you have asked the question. So I'm going to answer it. I am here today because of Lagan. Otherwise, Dheeraj would have not followed me. So there are greater people than me. Greater. Directors, writers, actors. But they are not stars. And the tragedy about human beings is we only look at stars. I'll ask you something. When you see a girl, how do you rate her? You have not even spoken to her. You don't know how she is as a person. But you get attracted to her. Why?
Because of her looks.
Because of her looks. So sapiens, we are programmed in a very bizarre way. I'm trying to teach this to my daughters. Muscular, hypercrilar, I tell them. As a man, having muscles doesn't mean I'm going to be a good human being and I'm going to love you and respect you and cherish you and be kind to you. And what is it that you need? You need someone who respects you, cherishes you and is kind to you. But nahin. First thing you're attracted to is exactly the wrong thing. That yardstick is a build. We are all programmed to procreate. And procreation's one big requirement is physicality. So, अच्छा इसके हाथ पैर अच्छे हैं, अच्छा इसकी body अच्छी है, अच्छा you're looking at that man or that woman actually not realizing that you're looking at it because you can procreate, and that's the kind of child you want to create. That's the DNA you want. So I don't know इसका आंसर क्या है, मुझे नहीं मालूम, but I know one thing, that success, nothing succeeds like success. Your own parents will love and respect you more if you're successful.